it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Pablo 𝐎𝐍. Yeah, walk alone. Pablo 𝐎𝐍, walk alone. Today, we're going to jump in the one and hear what the G say. And let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yo, Big Hits record.
Big hits, big up. King Cam, big up yourself, King Cam. Shout out by King Cam, produce. Okay, big hits. Okay.
Get from still that we are here down. Whatever that. Yo, boom. Walk alone, see this before. Enough people yet when I place we grow. Enough skill for hide this, I'm making sure. When
I can relate to the line there, I swear. Man say walk alone. Man say enough people hate him and I'm played so him grow. You see what me forward from? A woman they tell me, such woman they tell me, say, me and my best friend was soldier now. I got dead by the time we reach one. What she said? 20? Nah, past 20. Already her husband dead and she up on her dead bed right now. And her son walk a suck be a pussy. Oh, let's go.
get from still that we are here down.
A king never calling them place, yeah.
Whatever that. Yo,
Yeah, man.
boom. Walk alone, see this before. Enough people yet when I place we grow. Enough skill for hide this, I'm making sure. But no, we know so them can't go round. Wanna love me out. Walk on the lonely road. Moments if it don't put a trust in a tongue, so put my trust in a gun. I got I'm a leader.
Don't put it. Wait!
Walk on the lonely road. Moments if it don't put a trust in a tongue, so put my trust in a gun. I got I'm a leader. To be honest, me feel sad, but I'm a survivor. My national emotion. My boss a shot and me feel dark. Thoughts them are running on me, head, the lyrics puff out of my Smith, no listen when nobody say.
Bumbleclaw, thoughts them are running on my head, my lyrics puff out of me. What him say? Him lyrics puff out of spliff?
Thoughts them are running on me, head, the lyrics puff out of my Smith, no listen.
Yeah, lyrics puff out of spliff. So basically right now, so him tell you say, yo, anytime him light up a big head, him get a meds for write a song, you see me? Yeah, that's the thing, the half of the dome, like the scene too, like, him at the star, so you don't know, so the star in a something different from everybody else. Everybody else in a black shirt around him in a red. You don't know what Liverpool FC, Liverpool club. Boss support Liverpool. Yikes!
But I'm a survivor. My national emotion. My boss a shot and me feel dark. Thoughts them are running on me, head, the lyrics puff out of my Smith, no listen when nobody say. Going back, can't know where they juvie they every.
See, all them people that run him, well, where them experience them out on the street, them a killer. Gun bag not there, sir. No gun bag not there, sir.
My boss a shot and me feel dark. Thoughts them are running on me, head, the lyrics puff out of my Smith, no listen when nobody say. Going back, can't know where they juvie they everywhere me carry creepy clip tucking on my jeans, yeah. 𝐑𝐂𝐀 in a the lucky. When we outside, put it in a Louis V bag.
𝐑𝐂𝐀 in a the lucky when him outside and put it in a Louis V bag. Somebody tell us, yo, no matter where him the inside or outside, him have it on him. Anywhere him gun can go, him not go. Wait, what?
𝐑𝐂𝐀 in a the lucky. When we outside, put it in a Louis V bag. Boy brain get visa. Yeah.
Boy brain get visa, fly out, high, NASA satellite, space.
Outside, put it in a Louis V bag. Boy brain get visa. Yes, see la. Whole gonna Springfield at big 16 with the beamer, drill like Steeler. I build jeans, yeah. Kel-Tech in a the lucky. When we outside, put it in a Louis V bag. Boy, brain get visa, yes, sealer. All gonna Springfield at big 16 with the beamer.
When I say all gonna Springfield that?
Yes, sealer. All gonna Springfield at big 16 with the beamer, drill like Steeler. I build beat like Demo. Boy, life lasts like Nemo. Dog.
Boy, life lasts like Nemo. If you don't see the cartoon there is when a swim around get lost and then couldn't find back him way home. They have to help him at the end. Aye.
Like Steeler, I build beat like Demo. Boy, life lasts like Nemo. Dog, you know the thing go. Dog, them a bossy with a strength killer steady down a west. Remember rifle shot flick. Full of rifle like presidential click. Yeah,
Man, saying full of rifle like West Kingston, like down a guard in a presidential click. Yes, sir.
Killer steady down a west, member rifle shot flick. Full of rifle like presidential click. Yeah, this Jim Brown copper shot a spread in your skin. Walk alone, enough people yet when I place we grow. Some people hide it, some people show we but no.
So he must say basically some people in a place hate him, but some people hide it, some people show it. Some people is obvious. You can look on a person and know say, yo, that pussy not like me, no. But when me do, me a good youth in a real life, so when you like me, either your bad mind, envious or something, dog. We are pray. Make it known, but some other people now make it known. Some other people keep it quiet. Them one day you have afraid of. Me can respect the one them where show me say them not like me. But see the little secretive one them, that's why it's good to keep yourself to yourself and not running in people. You see it?
People yet when I place we grow. Some people hide it, some people show we but no. We not son I can't go run. Me no love me out. When you love me out. Me walk on the lonely road. Moments of it down, put a trust in a talk, so put my trust in a gun. I got a me leader. To be honest, me feel sad, but I'm a survivor. Me not show no emotion. My boss a shot and me feel dark. Thoughts them are running on me, the lyrics puff out and me swift no listen when nobody say. Going back can't then know where the juvie there. Everywhere me carry creepy clip tucking on my jeans, yeah. Kill. Shoot for kill. Murder.
Bad. I like that one. Bad, I like
if
that one.
a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Yo, King Cam, big up yourself first and foremost. Big up yourself, the production team. Big up yourself, King Cam. You know, say, yo, you're responsible for a lot of work we are going around here. Biggest records, producer upon that one. Big up yourself. Artists, big up your fucking self, dog. Big up your fucking self. Like, we see the growth in front of our eyes. A few artists we can look on and say, yeah, the artists are mature now. Artists are doing things now. Artists are farm in one artist you know. You see me? Pablo, one of them. Big up yourself, Pablo. You are here to stay, my bro. And you are here to stay. The message in the song is keep yourself to yourself because you don't know who to fucking trust. You don't know who to trust. You know why? Because people will like you, but some will show it and some will not show it. So keep yourself to yourself and always stay guard up. You see me? Yeah, dog. That's it there. Pablo, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. This time I'm going to leave that one still. Bad artist. This time I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more from my G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if anyone. I'll see you in the next one. For real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.